everyone. I made a video earlier today talking about the stock market and which stocks to buy this week. I put a I put a link for this stock simulator in the chat in the description called Investopedia right here. Today I will be doing a tutorial of how to use this stock simulator. As you can see, this is my home right here. Is right here. I am currently beating the S&P 500. These are the stocks that I've invested in, and I am currently beating the S&P 500, which are the top 500 companies in the world. My portfolio is all the stocks that I own, and as you can see right here, it shows the profit you made, and then the today's change, which means like how much the stock has changed in that day. It's pretty clear. And as you can see, I've made $914,000. Of course, this is all fake money. This is not real money. But if I did invest $1 million, which I don't have, I would have made this much money in profit. As you can see, the total value of all of these stocks is $4.6 million. Now, if you want to trade a stock, you just go to trade. As you can see, let's see, in my video, I said I should buy Logitech. If you go to trade, all you got to do is put in the stock symbol. You just look up your company you want to invest in. Now, note, all companies do not have stocks, but some big companies do, such as like Apple, Google. Most big companies have stocks. So you could look up LOGI, and you just click on Logitech International right here. Last is $118, and you just put the quantity. I'm gonna buy like 100. Or you show max, so you could buy 166 shares with a buying power. Your buying power is how much money you can spend, and your cash is how much money you have just right there, just all the cash you have. Now the value of your account is all the stocks combined, the profit, and all that stuff, basically. And if you just put preview order, it says currently the markets are closed. It opens like tomorrow. The market is open every day except for the weekends. As you can see, it says the total right here, $11,000, commission, quantity, and price of the stock. And you can see all of this, and then you just submit order. Of course, I am already in a game, so you're going to want to go to games, and then you join game. And then they have a ton of games you can play, and they give you a certain amount of money, like with $1,000, with $100,000. There's a ton of games you can play in, and then you should try to get the best score. Currently, my score is 1,053 out of like 30,000 people. And yes, that is my tutorial of the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys try investing in stocks. I will have another stock picks video next week on Tuesday, Monday, whichever one I can work on. Okay, bye.